Let's talk about analysis. First thing is use your tools. You got your industry-wide usage tools like Belkasoft. Belkasoft supports SEGB formats, of course. And for example, in this one, I'm gonna kind of zoom in here. Again, they call them biome app intents because that's the directory they're in, which is correct. Again, I think we're gonna move to SEGB at some point, but biome app intents. And what Microsoft here is doing is taking those SMS messages. These could have been deleted, for example, but we have a copy of them within the SMS SEGB file there on the mobile, from biome mobile applications to biome app intents. You have another crack at the data here. So you can use Belkasoft to do that, obviously. But you can go and also use open source tools like iLeap. It's a tool that I started, but it's part of the community now. iLeap is Python based, it's open source. It helps for validation. And in this case, you see the Safari history that we are talking about a second ago. You see here the 4 entries. The first 2 entries are the deleted ones, and the other 2 are the ones that we discussed, that we saw a second ago, right? And again, to prove that to you, you can see here the same screenshot we saw 3 or 4 slides ago. Now you see them really nicely ordered in a report format. You can get iLeap at the address at the top and use it, and there's instruction on how to install it. You can do it also yourself, like I did, straight with Python. There's good libraries. One of them is made by CCL Solutions Group in the United Kingdom. It's free. It's code by my Alex Caithness. You can find it there. And those SEGB libraries, you can do your own parsers and access those SEGB files and parse them yourself. And this is the library that I use, so you can use it as well. Here's the great examples how to use it, and you can, for example, run it and look at all the hex and the data in this view, or the tool also allows you to look at it deserialized, which is like you see here, like key value pairs, which that's what the one I like, because that's the one I use to make my own coding. Okay, I saw there's a question there, but I'll get to it in a second. The first 8 bytes are not part of the protocol, but that's been fixed, so I need to take this out. Alex Caithness fixed, not fixed, it wasn't damaged. It just took into account that the first 8 bytes of the protobuf in these SEGB files are not part of the record, and he fixed that, so you don't have to worry about that.